Okay, I'm going to program these two blue remotes that I just picked up. And the black one is my original remote. So I want to put the car in program mode. So I'm going to turn the key on and off 8 times quickly. And the last time, I will leave the key in the on position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, the car is now in program mode. So I will try the first new remote. Nothing's happening. Now I have the second new one. Nothing happens. So I will try the original now. Okay, that one worked. This one is now programmed. So the blue remotes are not working.
Okay, everybody, this was so simple. Anybody could do it. It took me about 30 seconds to program it. And you go on remotes.com, and it tells you exactly how to do it for your vehicle. It's locked. So simple.